So here you all must have got a new chat by doing My Eye. So what is this and what happens with it? And if you also want to bring this feature or this chat in Snapchat, so how can you bring it? I will tell you that in this video. So if you are new to the video, then like the video. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. And if you have not turned on the bell yet, then turn it on. First of all, you all know what is My Eye. So My Eye is a chat assistant. Like you all must have heard the name of ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT, but Snapchat has named it My Eye. With this, you can do all the work that you all do with your ChatGPT. For that, you do not have to make any separate account. You do not have to go to a separate website. Open your Snapchat app directly. And here you all come under the chat option. And here you will see the option of My Eye. And from here you can do all the work that you want to do with your ChatGPT. So what happens with this? So I told you that this is ChatGPT. And whatever work you have in ChatGPT, you can now do all the work with your Snapchat My Eye. You can do a lot of work in it. Come on, I will show you a live demo of what happens with it. Okay, here your My Eye has opened, and we do some work with it. So like I do not know who is the Prime Minister of India. So I ask him, see, so he told that Narendra Modi is okay. Now if I want to know some more things, like if I want to know where is the capital of India, now I have sent him, so I asked him where is the capital of India. So he told me that New Delhi is whatever you want in the online world. You can ask My Eye, and it will give you its exact answer. You do a lot of research in Google. You will get all the research here in this chat. GPT, which is My Eye, it will do for you. So now it comes to how you can enable it in your Snapchat. How can you bring it? So see friends, it is very simple and easy to bring it. My Eye was first for Snapchat Plus members. Whoever has taken Snapchat Plus membership here, this was the first option for them. See, I have not bought Snapchat Plus, you see, but still I have got the feature of My Eye here. It has come in my chat. So how can you bring it? To bring it, you simply have to go to your Google Play Store, and here you have to search Snapchat, and here you have to update your Snapchat. As soon as you update it, your My Eye will come in your Snapchat. See, we have come in the chat. Here your My Eye will be seen, so you can enable My Eye in your Snapchat in the same way, and you can get it.